Court Road Industrial Estate in Cwmbran is where you'll find the Gearbox and Axle Centre. We're an established company with a reputation for fast, efficient service at competitive prices, with a lot of our business coming from recommendations resulting from satisfied customers spreading the word about our expertise and value for money. Axles, differentials and exchange gearboxes for cars, light commercials, 4x4s and transits. We can provide all of this and more. Automotive diagnostic solutions, car conversions, car servicing, clutch repairs, engine management, fuel decontamination, MOTs, pre-MOT inspections and servicing. No matter what make or model of vehicle, we can be of assistance, offering a fast repair and reconditioning service to British, Japanese, European and grey import models, often on the same day. Open Monday to Saturday with free expert advice, free quotations, a free courtesy car and free local recovery. It's just got to be the Gearbox and Axle Centre. Call now.